Hey, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? In this video, we're going to take you guys fishing. We hired a boat, gathered together a few local friends, and headed out to the sea for a morning of fun and fishing. So come on along. It's what we're doing today. We booked our trip with Dream Catchers. We left the choice of charters to Victor since we figured being local he would have more knowledge about that than us. We booked their 35-foot boat which holds up to 8 people. The cost was $550 US for 4 hours. We met at the pier at 7:30, all ready to start our adventure. We brought along some friends from Puerto Morelos, Victor and Fabian, our taxi drivers, Alex, our awesome shrimp taco chef, and his friend Luca from Italy. Some of these guys had never been sport fishing, so the mood was excitement and anticipation. First mate got busy getting the bait ready for our fishing adventure. So I'm not sure whether you can hear me or not because it's pretty windy out here, but we're going to make an attempt. Looking at the fishing calendar for Puerto Morelos, for this time of year, we saw that the potential was excellent for barracuda and amberjack, good for wahoo, kingfish, bonito, and tuna. It's not the right season for mahi-mahi, sailfish, or white or blue marlin. We may have to book another fishing trip to hit these species maybe in April. This charter company has trips for 4, 6, or 8 hours. We chose the 4-hour one. They provide water, beer, sodas, but you're allowed to also bring anything you want. I made up a bunch of sandwiches to bring because leaving so early would not give us much time to eat breakfast before heading out to sea. This ended up being a really good plan because the sea air makes everyone hungry. If you book the 6 or 8 hour tour, I believe some food is provided, but check with the company for more information on that. I'll put the link below. Our day started off a little cloudy, but that provided us with some awesome photo opportunities of the amazing sunrise over the water. Breathtaking. The weather improved as the morning went on, and it ended up being a perfect day. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? The water was a little rough at times, and the swells had us rocking and rolling. I felt a little bit seasick, but nothing too serious. I found that by going inside, having a little bite to eat, and hydrating with water made me feel much better. I love the feeling of being on a boat in the sea, and this day did not disappoint. So after trolling for a few hours, we got a hit. The boys deferred and let the old man do the honors of reeling her in. So exciting for all of us. A 35-pound amberjack was what we brought in. The amberjack is a game fish found in the ocean's warmer parts and is found in abundance. The amberjack feeds on small fish, squid, shrimp, and crustaceans. Amberjack can be fried, grilled, boiled, or baked, and is considered an excellent fish to eat. It has a very mild flavor. All of the boys got their turns getting photos with the catch. Everyone was so excited and happy. For the fishing enthusiasts, the boat was equipped with 4 fishing rods, 2 downriggers, and 2 outriggers. Downriggers help you to control the fishing line to put it at deeper and controlled depths to put the bait exactly where the fish are apt to be found. Once the fish strikes, the release clip holding the fishing line pops free and the fisherman is able to fight the fish without the additional weight. Outriggers are used to spread lines out rather than sending them down. The function for outriggers is to have multiple lines without getting tangled. Again, once a fish hits, the clip releases and it's just the fisherman and the pole. Both downriggers and outriggers are used for the trolling method of fishing and each serve their specific purpose. Part of the service of the tour is that they clean and fillet your fish for you. Before we knew it was time to head in. It would have been nice to catch another one so the boys could have had a chance to reel one in, but maybe another day. We were really lucky to have caught one at all. The day by now is absolutely gorgeous and we enjoyed the ride back in. We're packing the catch up for a feast back at the house. Okay, here we are back at the house. Alex is finishing up the filleting and the sauce is being worked on. Alex had caught some snails and he brought those over and made a beautiful ceviche with them. So lucky to have a chef as a friend here. Don't forget to try out Alex's shrimp tacos at Casita Bamboo on the corner of the street running back from the Super Key and Zatina Gasca. Trust me, those tacos are amazing and very economical. Next, Alex prepared some fish roe for us to try. Penny really loves what's happening at our house today. The fillet is ready. Alex gets the barbecue char kilos going. coals are ready and the fish is going on. They cook the meat side down, skin side up first. Then it came off. They're releasing the meat from the grill here. The sauce was made of tomatoes, onions, green peppers, garlic, which was all boiled together. Then they added adobe paste and mayonnaise and mixed it all and then applied it to the meat of the fish. Penny was loving it. The sauce spilling it onto her head. She was in her glory. And it's finished. Oh my gosh, this was so delicious. Freshest fish tacos we've ever had. So good. And we all ate to our fill. This was an awesome day for all of us. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon with more adventures from Puerto Morelos.